Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is boy Sam from Art of Trading here, and today we'll be looking at TRX, a new, well, it's not new, but it's cryptocurrency. Now, I have never ever done cryptocurrency on this channel, and it's something completely new to me, but I thought I'd give you my analysis from, a sort of stock perspective, because crypto works in a similar way to stocks, in a sense, because you always have to, it's always about supply and demand. Now, I can give a good indication of where I think this is going to go. And, as I start doing more videos like this, I'm only going to keep improving and keep giving you all better analysis. So, I thought I'd just jump straight into it. And, I've done a bit of reading about crypto, so I know roughly like the ropes of it. So I thought I'd give you all a bit of DD, a bit of my analysis of what TRX could be doing in the not so distant future. Okay, so all of you are probably wondering, what the heck is TRX? Now, Tronix is a mainnet token based on the Tron protocol issued by Tron Foundation, known as TRX. TRX is the basic unit of accounts of the Tron blockchain, right? So the value of all other tokens derives from that of Tron. TRX is also a natural medium currency for all TRX based tokens. TRX connects the entire Tron ecosystem with the abundant application scenarios that power transactions and applications on the chain. So you may be wondering though, why is Tron such a good buy? Why is it? Why are people talking about Tron so much? Now, Tron is owned by a person called Justin Sun, and we will check his Twitter feed because that is pretty much where you find most of recent information about TRX, and it's how you stay updated. So we will look at that later for the recent news about TRX. But looking at the market performance, very, very good at the moment. A very good market cap, actually. I think recently he announced that it's increased more on Ethereum, so that's a very, very good factor. And, it's in a consistent upward trend right now, which is lovely to see. We've got a nice level of support here, but I will go on Binance and do a full graphical analysis for all of you after we've gone through what TRX is actually used for, right? So moving into the applications, so you can use TRX. So credit card spend supports TRX payment. You have TRX ATM machines. You have purchase of TRX merchandise. So you buy that hot merch at the store. Participate in token issuance of Tron. Obtain energy and bandwidth, freezing Tron. Obtaining voting rights, receiving BTT airdrop, participate in the Tronic support plan, Horn Pub supports TRX payments, and you can buy virtual gifts. So all very good stuff, and you can see massive list of exchanges there. So why is TRX such a good buy right now? Now, TRX is like the new blockchain crypto on the block right now. It's one of those which has a lot of potential, and it is also in quite high demand because of the services which it provides. Now, I want to all make it clear to all of you, right, that I am pretty new to crypto, as you can probably tell by this video, but I want to give you all my analysis of crypto, and I want to sort of say what I think is happening with crypto, because I'm here to learn. So if any of you can give me tips on like how to analyze crypto, then please let me know, because all of my knowledge right now comes from stocks and shares, not actually specifically crypto, but it's something that I'm trying to learn at the moment, because I feel like I'm quite good with stocks now, and I want to venture into a new sort of currency or a new like sort of trading system. So, if you all can give me some tips, that'd be very much appreciated, and I'm here to learn as much as you are. So yeah, that's pretty much what there is to it. TRX is right now looking good from a price action standpoint. And we're now going to get into the graphical analysis of TRX. Now you all know what TRX is about. We're going to go to the graphical analysis, and then we're going to look at Justin Sun's Twitter. So moving into the graphical analysis of TRX, as you can see, we're currently in an upward canal with a good level of support, probably around the sort of probably 10 cent mark, potentially 12 actually, because there is two touch points there. So that could be a good support level. So it's probably not going to go drop much below that. And we're currently in a nice upward canal, currently in that upward trend, which is lovely to see. We've got a good amount of volume currently in this crypto as well, or within this currency. And we're getting a massive amount of orders in, and it's looking good in general. Moving into the RSI to tell you like whether it's oversold or overbought. I think right now, looking at the RSI before, where's the relative strength index? There. So as you can see, the RSI is currently 44, so it's bordering on the line of oversold, but at the same time, because it's anything above that 80% mark is considered overbought, and anything below that is 70% and 30%. So anything like above or below those bands is either considered oversold or overbought. So the fact that it's right in the middle means that it's pretty much neutral at the moment. Like, we are seeing a little bit of, well, we're seeing a little bit of negative price action right now, but you know, that can all change very quickly. It's such a volatile market, and that's something that I've been learning with crypto. It's just how volatile it is and how you always have to pretty much stick to your phone because you never know what on earth is going to happen, right? But TRX did hit heights the other day of 18 cents. Now, you know, that is very nice. I think my entry price with this, because I've just invested it recently, I got in at around 1480, or yeah, so 0.148 is my average price at the moment. As you can see, I bought almost 10,000 of this token, so you know, I am trying to trade with this, and you know, hopefully we will see some good results. But in my opinion, since we're currently in a nice upward canal and no real signs of it going below that upward canal, I can see this reaching potentially maybe 25 cents by the start of May. That's my prediction currently, because we're in a nice upward trend, and you know, there's not really any signs of it stopping. And I think there's a lot of potential, and the ceiling is very high for this specific currency. So this is the news section of the TRX thing, and as you all know, TRX is owned by Justin's son, and he posts more frequently to his Twitter than what he does his actual website. So we're going to go through this, and we're going to address some of the recent news that's come out and why I think this is a catalyst to potentially seeing TRX go up in the future. So first and foremost, you can see that they have a current daily active user base is 3 times higher than Ethereum. Now, TRX is currently trading at around 0.15, right? I think it's 0.13 at the moment, but it does fluctuate a lot. And Ethereum was trading, last time I checked, at $2,300 per token. So the fact that TRX has a 3 times higher daily active user base, that is massive. That is absolutely massive. It shows that a lot of people are using this, and there is a lot of hype around this currency. As you all know, the way crypto works is that it all is based around demand and supply. Now, if there's a lot of these tokens on the market, the likelihood is that there's going to be demand for it, but it's not going to fluctuate much in price because there's such a high supply. The demand is going to be difficult to equal that with the demand, right, and overtake it eventually with the demand. So that's why coins like Ethereum, that's why Bitcoin, that are very limitedly mined and have a very limited supply of them, go up so much in value because, you know, they basically turn into like commodities, like sort of gold and stuff. So, you know, that's sort of why the price action like varies quite a lot within crypto. Moving down, so a USTD, which is actually what I used. So that's what I transferred over. Like, that's what I did the conversion with from USDT over to TRX. That's what I used to like buy it. So has now passed 6 million active addresses, 3 million on Ethereum and 3 million on Tron. So again, equaling Ethereum, which is very, very good to see. So according to Tron, the peak number of active accounts of this month equals 10,841,014. That's a 31% increase compared to last month, which again, all of these are catalysts. Everything that you see where it's an increase in numbers, an increase in data ship, an increase in people consuming these tokens, that is all going to influence the price of this cryptocurrency. And, you know, I can see that my price target of 25 cents by the start of May is looking more likely day by day because they're constantly showing signs of improving. They're showing signs of growth. And, you know, as I say within the stock market, is always a very good sign when you see these catalysts come into play and it starts actually taking off with a currency / stock, right? So, you know, all very positive signs from what I can see. And total value locked equals $15.1 billion. Again, just amazing stuff, honestly. Like, everything here that I can see is positive, which is always very, very good. and it'll be very interesting to see what happens in the future, right? So, you know, there's definitely a crypto to take into account, and definitely one to watch out for, because this could be, well, potentially the next big thing. But obviously it's going to take a while for that to happen, maybe a year, maybe two. But, you know, I can see this definitely being a contender with the likes of Ethereum. So, you know, definitely want to keep an eye on. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. Sorry if I did make mistakes throughout the video, but as you can probably tell, this is my first ever crypto video, and there will probably be mistakes along the way. And I thank you all for your patience. And you know, we're gonna get through this together. So thank you all for watching. This has been Sam from our training. See you in this video on the channel. Take care, everyone.